Boeing 707. Boeing commercial airplane produce first narrow-body long-range jet airliner. Powered by Pratt & Whitney JTSC turbojets engines. Fuselage length, 145 feet 1 inches wingspan, 130 feet 10 inches fuselage width, 12 feet 4 inches. Prototype first flew on December 20, 1957. First commercial flights October 26, 1958. Range, 2,900 to 5,000 nautical miles depending on the Boeing 707 variants. Boeing 707 was used both for commercial, cargo and military use. First commercial flight was from New York City to Paris. In production until 1991 and total of 1,010 were built. Last commercial flight was in 2013 used by Saha Airlines of Iran. Thank you for watching.